Hello guys, this is Fadi again, and in this today tutorial I will show you how to use Dynamo to control something like elements in Revit. So I am here in a conceptual mass environment, and I want to show you that I have some folding panels, curtain wall panels, maybe constructed on a facade, and this is similar to a building in Australia that is called the Kefir showroom. So how we can maybe control these folded panels? These folded panels, if I click on one of them and edit family, you can see that this folded panel is having maybe some parameters, and these parameters are controlled by computational design. So I have here something that is called fold parameter. So if I change this to 0.1 for example, it will be, and apply it, it will be opened such as like that. And if I play with that, you can see that it closed maybe one by one until reaching the maximum fold dimension. So if I go back now to my family, and you see I applied this adaptive family to a certain mass, and if I want to control the opening and close in this family, I have to choose one of them and then go, maybe let's choose another time, and go and select all instances, entire project, and go to the fold parameter here, which is an instant parameter, and play with that. For example, such as like that, they will close as I play with the fold parameter, and it will open if I want 0.1. So instead of doing this whole process, we can use a Dynamo for Revit by simple script to open and close all of them by one click. So how we can do that? We have to go to Manage tab and then to Dynamo. As I am clicking on Dynamo, it will give me this screen. I will go to New, and the first thing that I have to do is to convert this to manual, because if it crash, also Revit will be crash. Now I have to write here categories in order to bring all the panels I have. The second thing that I have to do is go to Revit here and then to selection. Maybe I have all elements of category, yes, and then I will connect this to categories. I will choose from here a curtain panel, maybe let's say we have curtain grid, curtain panel, and then when I run it, it will give me that run completed. In order to see what we have to write watch here, and then connect this to this and run again. You can see that I have 14 curtain panels, which are our panels in the elevation. So how we can control that? First of all, I have to go here and click set parameter and try to write without any spacing. So I have to bring this node, which is set parameter by name. Once I click on it, I have this node. We have to input element and the parameter name and the value. I will connect the elements to the element here, and then for the parameter name, I know that the parameter name is fold parameter. As you see, I have here fold parameter, and please try to write it as it's written here. So for example, if we have capital letter, you have to write as it here. So how we can write that? We have in Dynamo something that is called string. So I will bring a string, and then I will open two parentheses, and between them I will write fold as capital letter and the parameter in a small letter, maybe spelling, yes, let's try, and connect it to here. Maybe we can test that. Yes, it worked. Now for the value, I know that the minimum is 0.1 for example, and the maximum is 0.49. For that I have to use a number slider, maybe number. Yes, here I have a number slider. I will go to the drop menu here, and for the minimum I will put 0.1, and for the maximum I will put 0.49. For the step, maybe it is good here. And now when I done, I can close this and connect this to that. So once I hit run, you can see that I have a problem here, that the no parameter found by that name. Maybe we can do not need this parentheses, let's say like that. Okay, and run again. Now it works as you see, they will be closed. Let's do that. For example, for 0.3, yes, it will be opened step by step as you see, until opened all like that. So this is by a simple script we controlled all of these panels. So Dynamo have much more about that. We will talk about that in next videos. One by one we can learn how to use Dynamo to control elements in Revit. So this is too much for this today. I wish that you're interested in that. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel for more tutorials such as this, and have a nice day.